I'm out here today and I'm using my lumber I cut this winter. This is jack pine. And jack pine is really stable wood for planks I've found. In any case, I'm going to show you how I square it up and turn it into an actual board. I don't have a true sawmill, so cutting the edges is not a simple option to do at the time when I make it. And the reason I do it like this is obviously all the boards come out different widths when I'm running them off the chainsaw mill. So you can see this board here is about 7 inches wide because it's higher up on the log. This one here is 12 inches wide. So if I was to try and square the log before I made my lumber, I would lose a lot and they would all be the size of the smallest board to make it that I could just slice them. So that's why I do it this way. So I bring the the board out, each one. I take my chalk line and I try and draw a straight line that takes off the absolute minimum and maintains a straight line. So you can see there, that chalk line is basically what I'm going to cut off. I cut it off with my electric skill saw with a ripping blade. And to hold this in place, I just take a couple of screws and I screw it in right through to this old table to hold it still. So I'm going to put this on the tripod and I'll show you. I'll screw it in place and then make my cut. So grab my screw gun, basically throw a screw through it. So that's screwed right into this old table. It's not that it doesn't owe me anything. It's been used for this a million times. Just a fold out plastic table. So anyway, that thing is now fastened here. I've got clearance. I'm going to run my saw and take the edge off of here. So there we go. Cut the edge off. Then I flip it around basically, do the same thing on the other side, measure the maximum I can get, make another chalk line, and away we go. We have a beautiful board. I also have my little Bosch planer, electric planer. So if I want a really good finish, these boards are quite smooth considering they're done with a chainsaw. But if I want a nice finish, I just run about 4 passes down because I can only get about 3 inches per pass. And that makes really nice looking lumber. As you can see here, this looks darn near perfect after the planer's been on it, quite smooth. So it does a really good job. Anyway, you will gain a lot more lumber. And yeah, I don't have a sawmill, but I get more lumber per board this way. So if you found that useful, please like and subscribe.